And next up, we have another shell from Mike Pareto. One thing I'll say about Mike Pareto shells is my wife Molly always says, Ned, could you make colors like Mike makes? They are fluorescent colors. We really enjoy the colors that Mike puts in his shells. So here goes Mike Pareto's second shell. Just some seriously nice craftsmanship in those shells. We have a 5-inch 4-break shell from Stuart Ersick. 4-break shell, you'll see probably 3 color breaks and a bottom shot. Let's see what Stuart has for us in store. Now from John Kralik, we have a 5-inch multi-break shell. Well, that was a pretty one. We have a flight of, I believe there's 4 or 5, maybe 6, 4-inch Lampari. Lampari are shells that go up. They have a bottle of liquid fuel in there, which will create a fireball in the sky. We have, these are from Stuart Ersick, and it's a flight of 4-inch Lampari. Now we have a 6-inch, we have a 6-inch shell from Dan Shubka. The first break will have a ring of blue, a ring of turquoise, and a ring of reports. The second break will repeat that, a ring of blue, a ring of turquoise, and a ring of reports. And then we'll have a bottom shot. I've seen a lot of Dan's shells, and they are very impressive, so pay attention to this one. Well, we're seeing some seriously good craftsmanship out there. That is the end of the 5- and 6-inch shells. We've got to go out there and re-angle a couple 12-inch mortars. We do have 3 12-inch shells to fire, but before we do that, we're going to angle those mortars a little bit to the left to keep the falling debris out of the woods. So Rick, if you and Jack want to go out there and angle those, they are out at the end of the 12-inch steel line.